here. That's very well. Whoever said gangsters weren't meant for the wild was wrong. Emma, I found you. I'm a pansy. I'm a hardcore gangsta. I'm gonna kill it. If we kill the Bigfoot.
Oh no, I'm not feeling well.
No, Emma, what's wrong?
It's the Bigfoot virus.
I'm gonna have to kill her before it spreads and she becomes a Bigfoot. No, this is not enough for me. I need to bring the gargoyle.
No, not the gargoyle. No, not the heart sucker. Oh, you're thinking going,
That's so lame.